2012 Blackline. It's a Softail. I did own a Harley previously. I bought a brand new one, a 2003 100th anniversary 1200 Custom Sportster. I loved it, but I outgrew it, and it was time to move on to something bigger. So that's why I got the Softail. I love the freedom. The feeling that I get when I ride is incomparable. It feels like I'm an eagle flying. It's awesome. No, never. Never even crossed my mind. Once I found out that there was a way to make that dream come true, I took advantage of it, and I've just been really, really happy. Chrome Capital has been really great to work with. They set me up on bi-weekly payments, which was better for my payment schedule. I just have had great customer service. Anytime I've ever needed anything or inquired about a payoff or how the leasing worked, I could just call them, and they were really quick to help me out and very personable. I would definitely recommend Chrome Capital to a friend. Anyone who has had trouble with their credit or anything and doesn't think that they can make that dream come true, give them a shot.